We are pleased to show you the 2016 Optima Hybrid. The all-new Kia Optima Hybrid offers the style and performance of the Kia Optima with the added benefits only found in hybrid vehicles, including the idle stop and go feature, which automatically switches off the engine when the vehicle is idle. If you're looking for a quality, high-performance hybrid you can feel good and green about driving, look no further than the Optima Hybrid and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, ventilated front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.